Tucked in the heart of Animal Kingdom, where the trees whispered secrets and the animals danced in harmony, lived Willow Whisperwind. Willow was a brave and curious 10-year-old with a heart full of kindness and a mind filled with imagination. Willow had friends from all walks of life: squirrels, rabbits, and even the majestic deer of the forest. They would often explore the magical woods, finding joy in every moment. One sunny day, as Willow and their friends frolicked near the sparkling creek, a sudden darkness fell upon the forest. The once cheerful melody of birdsong turned into an eerie silence. The animals huddled together, sensing something was wrong. It was then that a fearsome cackle echoed through the trees. The animals shifted nervously as they recognized the wretched voice of Morgana, the evil witch. She had cast a spell over their dear friends, turning them into stone statues. Determined to save their friends, Willow called for an emergency meeting of the Animal Council. Together with their trusty friends Squeaky the squirrel, Hopscotch the rabbit, and Dash the deer, they devised a plan to defeat Morgana and bring their friends back to life. First, Willow called upon their extraordinary powers of observation. They noticed a small book hidden beneath a bed of wildflowers. The Book of Enchantments held the key to undoing Morgana's wicked spell. But it wouldn't be easy to reach, for it was guarded by a ferocious dragon named Ember. With hearts filled with bravery, Willow and their friends trekked through the dense forest, avoiding traps and solving riddles along the way. They finally reached the dragon's lair, where Ember snarled and roared, flames billowing from their nostrils. Thinking quickly, Willow used their charm and calming presence to convince Ember that they were not enemies but allies. Ember's fierce exterior melted away, revealing a kind and gentle spirit. With a gesture of goodwill, Ember handed over the Book of Enchantments, promising to help them on their quest. The book contained various magical spells, each with its own unique power. Willow and their friends deciphered the ancient text, discovering a spell that would break Morgana's hold over their friends and return them to their lively forms. Together, the brave group returned to the forest clearing where their friends stood, frozen as statues. Willow, using the power of the spell, chanted the incantation with a voice as strong as the wind. Bright light washed over the statues, and one by one, their friends began to stir, blinking their eyes in astonishment. Cheers and laughter filled the air as the forest came alive once again. Willow and their friends embraced, grateful to be reunited. The animals of Animal Kingdom celebrated Willow's heroism, recognizing the importance of friendship, courage, and the power of their united spirit. As the days passed, Willow and their friends continued to explore the forest, their hearts overflowing with gratitude and joy. They left behind footprints of kindness wherever they went, ensuring that the magic of Animal Kingdom thrived forever. And so, the legend of Willow Whisperwind, the brave protector of Animal Kingdom, echoed through the trees for generations to come, inspiring all who listen to embrace the power of compassion, bravery, and friendship.